This video is meant to show you how to connect a fuse kit for your dash cam in a 2009 Honda Accord. I hope it is helpful to people with similar vehicles. The first step is to remove this plate underneath the steering wheel. It's just some snaps. You just have to pull, firmly but gently. Pull from the bottom to get this one, the bottom to get this one, and don't pull too hard because there is a connector here for this button, this VSA whatever. So get those snaps pulled back, go into the center and pull these back, and it will all just pop off very nicely. There are some hook styles here, so be mindful. If it seems like it's coming off but something's catching, it might be these hooks. So let's set that aside, and you'll see this bolt here. This is what I'm using as the grounding bolt. You just take any normal size screwdriver, unscrew it a little bit, wedge your ground in there, and screw it back down. As for the fuse, we're going to take the driver's side fuse port 2. It is completely unused according to the diagram. However, I used a little power tester, and it gets power only while the key is turned. If the key is turned and the car is not on, you'll get power for about 5 or 10 seconds. And once the engine is running, then it will keep power on as long as the engine continues to run. I've got a 15-foot long cable, and it was just enough. I wouldn't do anything shorter than 15 feet. I've zip tied it, not zip tied, I've kind of twist tied it up right here. There's a tiny bit of slack, less than a foot. Run along the side here and straight through there. I used a wire clothes hanger to fish it through to the other side. In the passenger wheel well, you'll go, you can keep it nice and tidy by going behind this carpet here. It's just a little bit of Velcro around to the other side, behind this paneling. This fuse box here would have been really nice to use. Unfortunately, on this passenger side, every one of those fuses is constant power, and it will drain your battery because it will power your dash cam even if the car is completely turned off. We don't want to do that. Then what you do is you go into this molding right there on the edge. I'll show it to you on the driver's side. It's this bit here. There's my finger. This part here, you can pull it back. I don't want to because I don't want to unmount it. And then you just go all the way up. And of course, I'm talking about the passenger side. That's the way we're going up. And there, it sticks out right about the top. That's as close as I can get it. And I run mine above the visor, and then right to the dash cam, which is behind my mirror. If you've got little two-sided tapes, you could go along this edge if you wanted to and kind of get it stuck up there. I haven't tried. I live in the desert, and I feel like in the summer it would probably melt the adhesive and then it wouldn't stick. So I'm just kind of like, why bother? That's it. That's all you need to make it run. After that, I just tidied up these cables a little bit so that I could put that back on. So just make sure that you connect this piece here when you reattach, and then you'll just get it into those slots there, all the way around. That's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. So have a great day, guys, and bye-bye.